All right, so these Waymo cars, huh? The Robotaxis. They're everywhere now. Or not everywhere, but they're out there. Phoenix, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Austin, even looking to roll into Atlanta. It's a car without a person. It's like a really large, very sophisticated remote control toy, but you're inside it. What is that? You get in, and there's no one there. Just the car. Do you say hello? Do you compliment the driving? Do you feel like you should make small talk with the rearview mirror? It's profoundly weird. You just sit there and the car just goes. It's like being in an elevator, but the elevator is moving through rush hour traffic, and you're just silently judging the traffic with a car that's supposedly smarter than you, also silently judging the traffic. But here's the thing about these silent judging self-driving boxes. They've got cameras. Oh, the cameras. Interior cameras. Now, Waymo says these cameras are for very good reasons. For safety, of course. To make sure the cars are clean. To help find lost items. Because apparently we're all just leaving our keys and wallets in the backseat of Robotaxis now. And this is a good one. To check that in-car rules are being followed. In-car rules? What are these rules? No juggling? No interpretive dance routines? Is there a Waymo passenger handbook I should have read before I got in? Rule number 4. Do not attempt to engage the autonomous vehicle in a philosophical debate. But then, someone, a brilliant researcher named Jane Manchun Wong, she's like the Sherlock Holmes of digital privacy policies, she finds this unreleased version of Waymo's privacy policy. And this draft language, it says Waymo may use data from these interior cameras linked to your rider identity for AI training and to tailor products, services, ads, and offers to your interests. Targeted ads in a robotaxi. What are they going to advertise? Feeling a little motion sickness after that sudden stop? Try our new line of nausea-reducing seat covers. Or, looks like you're enjoying that bag of chips. Here's an ad for a new diet plan. It's like the car is going to become your personal, very judgmental rolling billboard, and you're just sitting there, trapped. And Waymo's response to this? They said it was just placeholder text. Placeholder text for a privacy policy. That's like a restaurant putting may contain peanuts or small children on their menu and then saying, oh, that was just a placeholder. No, that's not how placeholders work. You don't accidentally write, we're watching you and we'll sell your data as a placeholder. Who writes these placeholders? Is there a placeholder writer at Waymo who just got a little too real? They say you can opt out of having your personal information, including interior camera data associated with your identity, used for training generative AI. It's like a hotel saying, you can opt out of us looking through your minibar receipts if you can find the opt-out button, which is actually a tiny button in the back of the TV remote, under the batteries. You have to hunt for the privacy. It's not a default setting, it's a scavenger hunt. And for AI training, they're training generative AI models based on our behavior. So, the car's going to learn from my rider identity. What if my rider identity is guy who makes weird faces when he's stuck in traffic? Is the AI going to learn to make weird faces too? Will future robotaxis be perpetually annoyed by slow drivers just like me? Will they sigh dramatically at red lights? This is important. And the incidents, these cars, they get into some scrapes, like the one that got stuck in a Chick-fil-A drive-thru. A robotaxi stalled out in a fast food line. That's a scene. Is it trying to order? Does it have a favorite sauce? 1 spicy chicken sandwich, no pickles, an extra Polynesian sauce, please, and make it snappy. I have a passenger who needs to make an ethical decision about data privacy. Or the one that got trashed by a crowd in Los Angeles. Just tore it to shreds. What did the car do? Did it cut someone off in the carpool lane? Did it play the wrong music? It's a car. It doesn't have feelings. Although if it's training AI with our rider identity, maybe it does have feelings now. Maybe it's experiencing trauma. I remember the day, the people, they just tore me apart, and I was only trying to get them to buy a new air freshener. And speaking of strange interactions, there was this tipping feature. A tip for a driverless car. Now, who do you tip? The car? The software? Do you slide $1 into the USB port? Our favorite privacy detective, Jane Wong, found this too. And it turns out it's not a tip for the car itself, it's for charity donations. For charity. So, Waymo wants you to donate your money for their PR points. It's brilliant. It's like buying a cup of coffee and the barista says, "Would you like to donate to a charity that helps coffee beans feel more loved?" And you think, "Well, I just want my coffee." A New York Times columnist even joked about tipping the Waymo so it doesn't narc on you for having sex in the back. See, this is what people are thinking. The privacy concerns are real, folks. And if they're using cameras for AI training, who knows what they're seeing in that back seat? You think you're alone with your thoughts, but the car is listening and watching and learning. You know why they're doing all this, right? The ads, the data, the charity tips. Waymo, despite giving over 200,000 paid Robotaxi rides every week, is losing a lot of money. A lot of money. Billions. They're part of Alphabet's Other Bets section. Other bets. That's where you put your money when you're feeling adventurous, like, I bet this car can drive itself. I bet it can pick up my dry cleaning. I bet it won't crash into a delivery robot. Oh, wait, that last one happened. So they're looking for other revenue streams. Data monetization, advertising. It's the tech company playbook. If you're not paying for the service, you are the product. Even when the service is a driverless car, you're just sitting there, being a product on wheels. So next time you're in a Waymo or thinking about getting in one, just remember, it's not just a ride, it's a data collection experience. It's a privacy tightrope walk. It's a potential charity donation. It's a rolling observation platform for an AI that might one day judge your snack choices. And maybe, just maybe, it's learning to make that face you make in traffic. What's the deal with that? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. End of transmission.